Good job.
Oh, that's it.
No. Leah, here, take that back.
That's okay. What is that, London? She won't. Oh, there it goes.
You got her. No, you got her. I got her.
Oh!
No, he wants that bottle with him.
Oh!
There you go. Look at the chickens. She's worried about the camera.
Chicky.
She's saying, stop it, and her mother is out of control. Stop it, she says.
This is so nice. Nice. No.
Turn around.
Now what are you gonna do? Oliver, let go.
Oliver.
Okay, let go.